Welcome back to the course. In this lesson, we're focusing on one of the most powerful features of Visual Studio Code, extensions. Whether you're doing web development, AI, ML, Python projects, or cloud deployment, extensions transform VS Code from a simple editor into a smart development powerhouse. Extensions allow VS Code to adapt to any coding workflow. They enable language support, debugging tools, AI assistance, code formatting, virtual environments, live development servers. With the right extensions, you write faster, debug smarter, and automate more. Go to the Visual Studio Code website and select Extensions from the top menu. You will be redirected to the official Extensions Marketplace from marketplace.visualstudio.com/vscode. Here in the Extensions panel, you can search for any extension by name or keyword and browse detailed results instantly. You can view what's currently trending, check the top downloaded developer tools, and compare ratings before installing. VS Code also organizes extensions into categories, making it easy to explore tools for themes, languages, AI, debugging, and productivity. This helps you quickly find reliable extensions that match your workflow and project needs. Inside VS Code, open the Extensions view by clicking the Extensions icon on the left sidebar or pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X. Here, you can search your desired extension by typing name in the search box. In the search box, type name of an extension like Python. This is your hub for installing, removing, updating, disabling extensions. Click Install to add the extension to VS Code and enable its features immediately in your workspace. Use Disable to turn off the extension temporarily without removing it. Helpful when you want to avoid conflicts or reduce performance load. Select Uninstall to completely remove the extension and all its associated features from VS Code. Click Settings to customize how the extension behaves, including formatting rules, language options, integrations, or workspace-specific configurations. Now, I would like to share a details demo to install necessary extension then is required for your AI ML development as well as the Python developer. Number 1, Python. The Python extension is the foundation for all Python development in VS Code. It provides core features including syntax highlighting, IntelliSense, debugging support, code navigation, environment selection, linting tools, testing integration, Jupyter compatibility, and smooth execution of Python scripts, all directly inside the editor. Number 2, PyLens. This extension enhances Python coding with lightning-fast IntelliSense, smart type checking, auto import suggestions, and function type inference. It greatly improves code accuracy and speed by offering richer language features, deep analysis, and precise auto-completions, making Python development more efficient. Number 3, Python Debugger. This extension provides advanced debugging tools for Python applications. You can set breakpoints, inspect variables, step through code, analyze stack traces, and monitor runtime behavior. It is ideal for troubleshooting logic errors, runtime issues, and debugging complex AI ML pipelines. Number 4, Jupyter. The Jupyter extension allows you to open, create, and run Jupyter notebooks directly in VS Code. It supports live code execution, data visualization, markdown editing, cell outputs, and interactive Python experimentation, essential for data science, ML model testing, and exploratory coding. Number 5, Colab. The Colab extension connects your VS Code workspace with Google Colab, enabling cloud-based notebook execution with GPU/TPU acceleration. It bridges local development with cloud notebooks, letting you sync files, upload datasets, and run heavy ML workloads without local resource limitations. Number 6. Prettier. This ensures clean, consistent formatting across your code base by automatically adjusting spacing, indentation, quotes, and styling rules. It eliminates formatting conflicts, improves readability, and standardizes code appearance in collaborative projects, especially in web development environments. Number 7. Git Lens. It brings deep Git insights right inside VS Code, allowing you to view commit histories, authorship details, line blame, file comparisons, and branch insights. It helps track who changed what and why, making version control and code reviews more transparent and manageable. Number 8. GitHub Copilot. This is an AI-powered coding assistant that suggests entire lines, functions, or solutions directly as you type in VS Code. It analyzes your context and project patterns to provide accurate, real-time code completions and debugging hints. Designed to boost productivity, it reduces repetitive coding and speeds up development across Python, web, and AI/ML workflows. Number 9. Code Spell Checker. This extension identifies spelling errors in code comments, variable names, and documentation. It helps prevent confusing typos and naming mistakes, ensuring clean and professional code, especially when using descriptive identifiers and technical language. Number 10. Live Server. It launches a local development server with real-time browser reload functionality. It automatically refreshes your page whenever you update HTML, CSS, JavaScript, making front-end testing, UI changes, and web prototyping faster and more interactive. If you would like to customize any extension, then on the extension, click the gear icon. Settings to customize behaviors. The Python extension settings in VS Code allow you to configure interpreters, conda paths, autocomplete libraries, and environment creation behavior. You can set a default interpreter, define extra module paths, and load variables from an .env file. Conda and active state paths help VS Code detect and activate external Python environments smoothly. Overall, these settings ensure accurate environment management, code assistance, and seamless Python development inside VS Code. These settings help tailor your coding experience. VS Code allows extension control depending on your project. Right-click any extension. You can see the option. Disable Workspace. Turns off the extension only for the current project without affecting other workspaces. Enable Workspace. Activates the extension specifically for the current project while keeping it disabled elsewhere. This is useful when a project doesn't need heavy AI debugging tools. You want cleaner performance on smaller folders. Number 1. Core Python and ML extensions. Python. Fundamental support for Python development. IntelliSense, debugging, linting, formatting. Pylance. High performance Python language intelligence with faster autocomplete and type checking. Jupyter. Enables Jupyter notebook execution directly inside VS Code. Colab. Enables seamless connection and syncing between VS Code and Google Colab for cloud-based notebook execution. Django. Provides rich support for Django development, including syntax assistance, project scaffolding, and framework-specific debugging tools. Python Resource Monitor tracks and displays real-time Python CPU, memory, and process usage directly inside VS Code to help optimize performance. Number 2, data science and visualization. Data Wrangler. It is a data viewing and cleaning tool that is integrated into VS Code and VS Code Jupyter notebooks. Data table renderers. Renders CSV, JSON, GEO, JSON and other data formats in table/grid view with filtering and sorting inside notebooks. Thinking in data. A curated set of tools for data analysis and visualization, including dataset previews, charts, and collaboration support. Python Data Science. This extension pack is a one-stop shop to get tools for your data science workflows, from preparing data, conducting data analysis, and visualizing data to prototyping, evaluating, and training ML models. Plotly. Interactive graph visualization inside editor. Excel Viewer, useful for training datasets in CSV/Excel formats. Number 3, AI/ML productivity and tools. TensorFlow, snippets, code templates for TensorFlow layers, training loops, callbacks. PyTorch snippets, fast model drafting and training sample structures for PyTorch. Scikit-learn, snippets, autocomplete and quick docs for sklearn functions. Keras snippets, rapid generation of Keras model architectures. Hugging Face provider for GitHub Copilot chat. Template and utilities for transformers, datasets, tokenizers. Docker, containerizing ML environments for reproducible training. Dev containers. Build isolated Python ML environments with correct dependencies. Number 4, code quality, formatting and dependency management. Black Formatter, strict and clean auto formatting for Python. iSort, automatically organizes Python imports. Flake 8 or rough, linting for a style and error detection. Python environments, handles Venv/Conda environments easily. Requirements.txt generator, auto-generates dependencies for ML project packaging. Pip Manager, install, update, uninstall packages directly from VS Code. Number 5, experimentation and MLOps helpers. GitLens, deep Git tracking, commit insights, experiment versioning. GitHub Copilot, AI assisted coding for faster model scripting and debugging. Azure Machine Learning, for cloud-based training, deployment and GPU pipelines based on Azure. AWS Toolkit provides built-in tools to develop, test, deploy and manage AWS services directly from VS Code. MLflow, track experiments, hyperparameters, metrics. AI/ML debugger enables step-by-step inspection and debugging of machine learning workflows, including tensors, model states, and training variables inside VS Code. Best practices to prevent VS Code slowdowns. Extensions add functionality, too many can reduce performance. To keep VS Code fast, install only what you actively use. Disable heavy extensions per workspace. Remove outdated tools. Avoid running multiple AI suggestion engines at once. Update extensions regularly. Restart VS Code to refresh memory. In the next video, we'll move deeper into debugging, productivity optimization, and extension configuration tips. Thanks you for watching. Stay with us and like, comment, and share the tutorial.